Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to install FileZilla on Ubuntu or on any Linux. So what you gotta do now, you have to open your Synaptic. It won't come here. I'm gonna say Synaptic. So this is Synaptic. Synaptic comes here, and then you go to search. If you don't have Synaptic, you have to find a way how to. I think I have a video on how to install Synaptic, but if you don't find it, go to Google and see how to install Synaptic. Once you have that, then you type in here FileZilla. Okay, then you search. When you search, you're gonna get it here. You click on that and say mark for installation. You do mark that, then after you do what? You apply. After applying, let's see, the internet is so fast, it's so good, it's gonna finish quick. Very soon it's gonna be done, then we can be able to use our FileZilla. Yeah guys, I think we're done, but we're gonna test if we have it. You can close this and search FileZilla. Yes guys, we have it. It's gonna open. Try to do something here. See FileZilla. It should open, but it's not opening. I don't know why. FileZilla. Add to favorites. Yes. Okay. Something simple. Yes guys, it's here. It opened. We opened FileZilla now. That's when you're gonna go here and save site manager. That's when you're gonna type in your new website and stuff. Don't forget the host. This is the website gonna be, the port, and you can leave this to normal. Put in a username and password. Then you say you connect, or you connect. Say connect. If you type in all what you have to type in, it's gonna give you a chance to connect. Then you say okay. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.